Hi, it's Peter Haddock here from Content with Media, and I've come to the Skanska stand here at Highways UK, and I've grabbed Mark yet again. Mark, we meet again, but this is quite an important meeting because last time we met at Digital Construction Week, we talked a lot about raising the bar on Highways England. Now it's getting a bit real. We're at the Highways England event here. Raising the bar is now a big issue, and I know you and me have had conversations over the last 2 days with people that are getting the message. Things have got to change, the industry's got to change, the adoption of technology's got to change. Talk to me about some of the experiences and why it's now that people need to act.
So I've actually done 4 presentations while I've been here, and emphasising raising the bar has been there in the subject matter 3 times. When I've come to the end of the questions, each time the importance of raising the bar, people weren't even aware that this existed and it was a requirement.
Yeah.
And it come to the point that 3 plant hire companies, smaller companies, came and asked for information. They realised if they didn't change, their business was doomed. So it's had a real impact, and a lot of people have not understand this were already a requirement, and they wanted to know more of actually how it can help their business. So the message is getting out there, but we need to keep driving it deeper and deeper. But I think we're making a little bit of headway, What
I think we're doing is we're making progress with this, Mark. I think what is happening, though, is only now people are realising that if you want to get onto the A14, if you want to get onto the M23, if you want to get onto big projects, if you want to see whatever happens with HS2, if you want to be on that project, then you've got to look at what's happening with machine control and technology. You're there to actually help enable people. You're spending a lot of your time doing that. The one thing that I think people need to understand is raising the bar document is not just going to stop here, is it? Where's it going next? Where could it go next?
Well, where it's going next, we need to talk about that. So intelligent compaction is going to come.
Yep.
Pass count is going to come. Connected work sites are going to come. Using information that actually passes back to for counting of materials is going to come. All of the things that are a benefit for safety, quality, delivery, they're all on the roadmap for connected and automated plant. Now it will go semi-automatic before automatic, so what we mean by that is you'll sit in a machine, dial into that machine, and you might be 500 miles away. But there's stepping stones to that to get there. So I believe where we're going to go next is probably intelligent compaction or a component of that. It's coming, so get ready for raising the bar.
And get ready for raising the bar, because there's another thing we're going to hit with Skanska as well, which is 2045 net zero. So you are going to be dictating that data has to come from machines. Data not just on the efficiency, but the carbon, the productivity, and all that sort of stuff is going to come as well. So it's not just Skanska with the raising the bar element, it's also Skanska saying we now need to change the environmental impact of what we're doing as well. That's great. And we're going to hear some more about that later on, I think, Mark, aren't we?
Well, we will. We'll go into that much later, yes.
Fantastic. Thanks, Mark.
Welcome.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.